I'm Selena, an educator with 20 years of classroom experience and a test prep expert with Study.com. Today, we're focusing on the FTCE Marketing 6-12 057 exam, specifically the knowledge of marketing mathematics. This section is all about applying practical math skills in real-world marketing contexts. Let's walk through a few sample questions together and highlight some key strategies to help you succeed. If a customer purchases a jacket that originally cost $80 and applies a 20% discount, how much will the customer pay before taxes? A, $60, B, $64, C, $70, or D, $76? We will use this formula, 80 times 0.20. The discount amount is $16. Once you have found the discounted amount, which is 16, you take that and you subtract it from the original price. The original price was 80, so 80 minus 16 equals 64. So our correct answer is $64. The sales chart for a retail store shows that in quarter 1, the store sold 150 units of product A. In quarter 2, it sold 200 units, and in quarter 3, it sold 180 units. If each unit of product A is priced at $45, what is the total revenue generated from the sales of product A in quarter 2? So we must look at quarter 2, which sold 200 units, and the price per unit is $45. So you must use the equation total revenue equals units sold times price per unit. 200 times 45 equals 9,000. The correct answer is D. The total revenue for quarter 2 is $9,000. A company produces custom t-shirts that cost $10 each to manufacture. The company has fixed costs of $2,000 per month. If the t-shirts are sold for $20 each, how many t-shirts must the company sell in a month to break even? A, 100 t-shirts, B, 150 t-shirts, C, 200 t-shirts, or D, 250 t-shirts. Using the fixed costs divided by selling price per unit minus the variable cost per unit. Those numbers are 2,000 divided by 20 minus 10. Then 2,000 divided by 10 equals 200. So in order to break even, they must sell 200 t-shirts. The correct answer is 200 t-shirts. A small business has the following information on its profit and loss statement for the month of July. Revenue is $15,000, cost of goods sold is $6,000, operating expenses is $4,000, and taxes $1,000. What is the net profit for the business in July? A, $3,000, B, $4,000, C, $5,000, or D, $6,000. Using the formula, net profit equals revenue minus cost of goods sold minus operating expenses minus taxes. So 15,000 minus 6,000 minus 4,000 minus 1,000 equals 4,000. The net profit for the business in July is 4,000. Thank you for joining me today to practice on the FTCE Marketing 6-12 057 exam. For more practice, check out our FTCE Marketing 6-12 057 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to Study.com and check out our FTCE Marketing 6-12 Test Prep course. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons, specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to the channel to get all the latest FTCE test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Happy studying.